Hello, good morning. Myself Satish Dodmani, and in today's session, I would like to cover how to create Google Form and automatic certificate generation. So let me begin with the session. To do this, we need to log into our mail account. We should have Gmail account for this. And now already I have two Gmail account. One is my uh, professional mail ID that is sn.money at git.edu, and another one is satish.dn@gmail.com. These both email ID I have already logged in, and I have opened it. Now, how to create Google Form? For this, you click on the Google Apps first, and then go to the apps, select the forms. When you click on the forms, that form page will get open. Right now it is loading. That loading is based on your internet connection. If you have strong internet connection, then it will get open very quickly. Now I am using mobile internet, so it may takes little time. So now after getting open, see here, there is a blank. Already I have created so many forms, it will be visible here. So if you have created, it will show like this. Otherwise, if you are new to this one, then it will not show anything, this type of forms. Then you have to click on the blank form. When you click on this blank form, that next window will get open. In on that page, that some options you will get like this. Here untitled form is there. You can give some name for this. So I will give, as I am from electrical background, so I will give electrical questions or electrical quiz. Then afterwards, so that becomes the form name. Now this is your form. Here you are going to create your quizzes or assignment or question paper or survey or feedback, like anything types of form you can create here. So this is the questions. Right now I am there. Now you can click on the response also. This response, when you are going to check, when you create the form and when you will share with the other students or participants, and when they will start responding, no, that time you can check on this particular thing. Right now it is of no use. Next, check out here. There are some tabs available. So in that first one, I will show you settings. In the settings, we need to click, and when you click on the settings, there are three options you will get. One is general, another one is presentation, third one quiz. So let me begin with general. Some settings I will do in the beginning itself. So yes, for those who give the or submit the form, I need to collect their email address. So yes, I will click on this. So collect email address. So automatically it will collect the email address of the respondents. Then next, required sign in. So here I am using the institutional ID, hence it is asking restrict to users in Gogte Institute of Technology and its trusted organization. And if you click on this, then no other person cannot submit it. So what I will do, I am allowing others also, because students are, they will be having their own individual email IDs. So I will click on this. So I will remove that restriction. Then there is one more option is called limit to one response. So how many chances you are giving to your students or participants? Only one or two, three, that depends on you. If you don't click on this, they can submit multiple, but multiple submission create the problem. So what you can do, you can create on the limit to one response and check it out. But here right now for this session purpose, I will not click on the limit to one response, because I would like to show you some other things. So I will click uncheck only. But when you are sending to these students, and if you want to take only one time this submission, then click on this limit to one response. Then next one is respondents can edit after submit. If you want, you can check it, otherwise not required. Then see summary charts and text response. If you want, you can give it, otherwise it is not mandatory. Then next, go to the presentation. So in this presentation, show progress bar, shuffle question order is there. If you want to shuffle the questions, you can check mark it, otherwise not required. Show link to submit another response. Yes, if you want to show that something like this, so you can click on this. Otherwise, if you don't click, then you cannot. So show link if you want, then you can. Otherwise, just confirmation message you can write here. Thanks for submission. Thanks for submission. Then go to the quizzes. If you are using this form particularly for quiz, then here is a toggle switch. So click on this toggle switch, make this a quiz. If you are using this only for quiz, then you can click on this. Otherwise, if you are using for survey or some feedback, it is not mandatory. So but if you are using for quiz, then you make use of this particular switch, because it will be helpful while choosing the answers. That I will show you later. Then it will ask that release grade immediately after the submission or after some time. So you can choose anyone. I have chosen here immediately after each submission. Then it is asking that respondent can see. That means the students can see which question they have missed it, which question they have correct answer they had given, and point values. If you check mark, if you uncheck this, then what will happen? They cannot see those things. So if you check, then definitely they can see. After doing all these things, what you can do? You just click on the save button. So when it will happen, then when I have taken in this setting this quizzes, I have made it enabled now. So because of that reason, see here, this answer key is enabled. Otherwise, if you don't select that quiz, then this answer key will not be available. So that is what I have told that I will tell you later. That is the reason for that. Then next, uh, so that is the use of that particular quiz. And now next, I have chosen their correct email address, so hence it is showing email addresses also. Now after this setup, next I would like to show you this customized theme. By using this customized theme, what you can do, you can select the theme for your form. So if you want to choose this type of color, you can choose it. If you want this type of color, you can choose it. So along accordingly that background color also you can change it. So now I have chosen this color, so it is showing here this type of color. So that left on you now. Now next one is, after choosing this, just close it. This one is preview. So this preview is, you already know how it looks, your form, how it looks, that you can check it out from a particular tab, that is preview. So network connection is bit low, hence it is taking little bit time. So this is how your form looks like. That is what it shows preview. Fine. Okay. Now let's move to the next thing. Here, this send button I will show you in the last, and before that I will show this more option. So in this more option, there are many options you are going to get: make a copy, move to trash, print, add collaborators, script editors, and all those things. But out of this, important is this add-on. So click on this add-ons. So when you click on the add-on, this type of yeah, window will get open, and here you need to write certify m and enter, so that this particular app will get uh, come out in front of you. So you need to install it. Why it is required? Because certificates you are going to generate at the same time along with the form, hence you have to install this app in your form. So I have already installed, hence it is showing installed. If it not, then it will come install. So then you have to click on the install and install this app. That's it. So now it is not required to install because it is already installed. When you install that add-on as well as certify, so this another particular icon will get visible to you. Earlier it will not be there, but in my case I had installed this already, so hence it is visible. But in your case, if you are new to this, then definitely you will not get that. Then this one new icon will get display here. Fine. So now after this all the settings, About the certificate link and all those things, I will tell you later. First of all, now let us start the preparing the questions for the quiz. For to whom you are sending to your respond, the candidates or students like that. So you need to collect their names. You have to collect it. You should collect their college name as well as where from or their division. So hence you need to write. So write name or full name. You can say, you can write full name. Then name will be the short answer. If you click on this option, so it shows the which type of answer you are expecting: short answer, paragraph, multiple, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scale, like that. So here you see, for full name we require short answer only. It is not that in terms of paragraph is not required, so hence it is short answer. Then what you do, this name is required compulsory, so make this toggle switch click, so it becomes compulsory, so it is required. Now next, you here another toolbar is there. In this toolbar, add question is plus sign mark. Then this is the import question. So if you have questions already in your laptop, so you can import it, and this you can add the titles for that, as well as this is the picture or images you can add if you click on this. Then this video I can include in this video, this particular form, as well as you can divide the section, and you can continue your form. In that way you can use these options also. Now I want next data, so that data is class. So which class, the student is from which class. So again I want it is a short answer, so I will click on the short answer, and I want this is a required one, so I will make it required. Next data what I required is college, which college he is from. So college name, and again a short answer. It took short answer directly automatically, so again you make it required. Then after this you add some questions now, whatever you want. So here I have written electrical quiz, and description you can give any. So common, I will write common sense. So common sense questions or general knowledge questions, what you can call. So now in this question, I will write I will ask some questions. Which type of electric supply we get in our house? So basically, there are two types of supply: DC or AC, or AC and DC, or none. So it is a multiple choice of question. Now you have to select the answer key, click on that answer key. Then in our house we get AC supply. So what is the point you are going to allow? Here I am going to allow 1 point for that. So 1 point I will keep it. Then after that, say done. Click on the done. Then next, one more question I will add. I would like to show. So which type of wiring connection will be there in house? So it is related to the connection. Which type of connection we will do? Parallel or series, or series parallel, then none. Now question I will little bit change it. Uh, how how loads will be connected in house. So about the loads, I'm asking how the loads, how electric loads will be connected in house, whether it is connected in parallel, series parallel, or none. So select the answer key. The answer is it will be connected in parallel. So I will assign you 1 mark for this. So in this way, you can number of questions you can add it, and you can prepare a form. After doing this, so say done. So 2 questions are completed. So in this way, you can prepare number of questions you can prepare now. So after doing this, what I will do, I will assign certify M. So for this, what is required? Good internet connection is required. Otherwise, that options will not be visible. So you can click on the add-on certify M. So see, now it is showing install enable certify M in this quiz and help. So I will click on the enable certify M in this quiz. So when you click on that, that pop-up box will get open, and there you should click on get started. So when you click on the get started, that another box will get open. So that one is this one, certify M toolbox. Actually, in fact, it is. So here, check it out. Now certification is off for this particular form or quiz. So what I will do, I will click on turn on. So it takes bit time. It is saying that please wait. So wait for file. So it should show certificate is on. Now it is showing certificate is on. Next one is certificate record. So it shows the certificate record that is not required right now. So you need, if you want to keep the cutoff percentage for your exam, yes, you can keep it. So I will say that 50% I will keep it for the cutoff percentage. If you take 50%, you will get the certificate. Then template is there. The which type of certificate you want, whether you want default certificate, you can choose any one of this. Otherwise, if you want custom template, then you have to choose custom template also. In this session, I will tell you only about the default certificate. So for that, I will chosen bronze frame. So that template I have chosen. Now next one is almost everything is okay now. And now the thing is, after doing this, you just send it. Now you have prepared the question paper, you have set the quizzes. Now in the send option, particular 3 things are available. One is this mail through, you can send the link, or this link will be generated, and this you can short that URL. So automatically it becomes short also. Then you can copy and send it in the WhatsApp also. Otherwise, through email only you can send it. Then this one is there another button. It is a HDA embedded HTML that is not required now. So go to the mail also, and I will write it here only to satish.dn. That is my another mail ID, personal mail ID. To that I will send this particular form. So now I have chosen the email ID and I will send it. That's it. So when you send it, then that particular form will go to that satish.dn. Now let me check this. So see here, from SN.money, that is from my official mail ID. I got one in email to satish.dn. This is my personal mail ID. Electrical quiz. Fill out the form. So I will write. I will click on the fill out the form. Electrical quiz, CS common sense. So here you can give description anything. Just I have given in the short. So email address is required for this. So satish.dn at gmail.com. Then write your full name, Satish Dodamani, Dodamani. Then class, I will write that first year. I will write first year. Then college, I will write KLS GIT Belagavi. Then which type of electric supply we get in our house, so that is AC supply we get. Then how electric loads will be connected in house, it will be connected in parallel actually, but intentionally I will give wrong answer, that is series connection I will write, and then I will submit. So once you submit this form, then it gives that thanks for submission. That is what the message I had written in the confirmation. You can write some other things also along with this. That is not a problem. Then if you want, you can view the score also. So when you click on the view score, then it shows what all things you had given here details. Which type of electric supply we get in our house, that is AC supply, that is correct, 1 marks I got. How electric loads will be connected, actually it is parallel, but I have chosen series, so 0 marks. So total 1 marks I got, but it is 50%. So for 50%, whether I will get the certificate or not, definitely we should get, because in percentage cutoff what I had selected, it is 50%. Then definitely I should get the certificate. Let me check it. So close this. Then go to your satish.dn. See here. In this satish.dn mail account only, from the certify M, you got the certificate. What is that? Check it out. Congrats Satish Darumani, you passed your certificate, is attached to this mail for you to download and print. So click on this, check it out. This certificate declares that Satish Darumani first year KLGIT Belagavi has completed. Actually that quiz name is not there. So on 8/5 2020 with passing score of 50%. See, this is the default. This is the default certificate. In this we need to add some more things. Otherwise what you can do, you choose the custom certificate and do the work. That means particular certificate you can create it, and that when you upload it, then it will be very good, or it looks so very good certificate. So that is for that it is custom certificate is required. That also I will just show you how to do it, not all steps. I will do another video for that. Fine. So how to do that? Go to that my professional mail ID. So forms, you click on the forms. So in that form already I have chosen electrical quiz. This form I will choose it because already I have created. Now check it out here. What you need to do in this certify M control, show certify M controls. In this tab, still it is not activated. Wait for a while. Here in this you should choose custom template. When you choose custom template, it's not selected. Okay. So here when you choose custom certificate, here select a new file. You need to select the file which you have prepared your own, and where to prepare that particular certificate. You should prepare that certificate in the Google slide itself. If you don't prepare any other platform, you have to prepare in the Google slide platform. Here I have prepared some other certificates already. You can prepare earlier or you can prepare at that time only. That is also not a problem. So in that way you have to prepare and you have to insert or select it. Then definitely you will get the custom certificate. For that I will show you in the another video how to do that custom certificate also. Right now I will keep this session only for the how to prepare the form and how to get the default certificates. Now already I have shown default certificate. Let me show you responses. See now. Now in this responses you can, as an admin, you can check it out. How many people had given the answers, how many people have given the responses, and if you want the document of that, click on the spreadsheet and create new spreadsheet, create it, click on the create, then a spreadsheet will get open. In that spreadsheet that how many students will be given, their details will be available, and their name, class, etc, everything, and which type of answer, whether they had given correct answer or what, those everything details it will be given. And if you want, you can take printout of that also. Click on the file and there will be a print option will be there at the end. So click on that and you can take printout and keep it for your document purposes in the your file. So this is how actually that Google form works, and I thought of giving this idea to you all. So I hope this will be useful for you. Right now you try for this, and in the next video I will tell you how to generate your own custom certificate, and along with that one more tool is there, that is Testmos. That Testmos is the one website which where we can generate the again a quiz. It is also very easy, and how to do that we'll see in the next videos. So thank you for your patience, and if you like this particular video, please click on like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.